Hey champions, Arian Tyson, the Moving Motivator here. Feel free to like, comment, and share this video. Listen, I want to challenge you today and let you know that in order for you to become successful, you must be bold. You must be bold, and here's why. Anything worth having in life requires risk. It requires having faith, but most of all, it requires having belief in yourself, in your goals, in your vision. You must have the belief. You must be bold when it comes to going after the life that you believe that you deserve to live. You must be bold. You cannot be timid and become wealthy. You cannot be timid and expect to have a life-changing transformation. You cannot be timid and expect to be taken seriously. You're going to have to be bold. You cannot continue to play it safe and think that you're going to become successful. And I've heard it said like this: money is attracted to speed. Well, success can be attracted to speed as well, because when you take risk, you have the mindset that the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward. And I'm here to tell you, I would rather fail my way to success than to continue to play it safe and never live up to my potential. And people don't seem to get that. They are afraid to fail. But one thing that I know about all successful people have failed. Whether it's Donald Trump, who filed bankruptcy multiple times before he's become the tycoon that he is. Or whether it's someone who invested in real estate or so on and so forth. You think they didn't suffer when the real estate market tanked several years ago? It takes risk. You can continue to play it safe and be average, or you can make a decision to become allergic to average. And the way that you become allergic to average, you decide to be bold. You decide to be bold in your pursuits. Bold in going after the life that you deserve. So what will you do? Will you be average? Will you remain average and mediocre? Or will you decide to be bold and finally live out and become the best version of yourself? The choice is yours. But after watching this video, you can no longer say, nobody ever told me that I had a choice. If you got value from this, feel free to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to me on my YouTube channel if you're not already doing so. And remember, in life, you have two choices. You can make moves or you can make excuses, but you most certainly cannot do both. Once again, it's yours truly, Arian Tyson, the Moving Motivator, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.